Assalamu alaikum students, I'm here with the science subject for class 1. We will have lecture number 4 today and we'll continue the unit number 2, the senses. I want you to open your book of science page number 11. Today we will learn the second topic of unit 2, movement. We will learn that we can move in different ways. We use different body parts for different movements. On the screen you can see some words from your lesson. Learn their spellings and write them in your notebooks. Okay students, there is a picture on the page number 12. Discuss and answer. How are these children moving? Which parts of the body are they using? You know, we all are moving all the time, even we do not notice. Our body helps us to make many movements. Let's learn about the body parts which help us in our movement. In the first picture, there is a boy walking with a dog. Which part of the body he is using? Yes, he is using his legs. We are able to move freely because our legs bend at the knees and at the ankles. In the next picture, there is a girl skipping a rope. She is using her arms and her feet. She pushes her body upwards using her feet. In the next picture, the girl is walking on a slope, keeping her body balance. She is also using her arms and her feet. In the next picture, the boy is hitting a ball, and as well as he is keeping the balance with his legs. The boy next to him is holding a box up high on his toes. We can also turn our toes. Now look at the pictures below. A small boy is sitting on his knees, keeping the balance. So we can walk, jump, run, dance and do a number of actions and movements with our body. Let's start the exercises. Open your page number 13 and keep a pencil in your hand. The first question is, choose the correct answer. We have 4 options. Which of these is not a way of moving? Sleeping, hopping, skipping and running. So the right answer is sleeping is not a way of moving. Tick on it. The second question is, which of these is not one of the 5 senses? Sight, breathing, taste, hearing. The right answer is breathing. Tick on B. Question number 3. Which of the senses do you use while eating? Hearing, smell and taste. B. Smell, sight and taste. C. Smell, touch, hearing. D. Touch, hearing, taste. The right answer is B. We use sense of smell, sight and taste while eating. Tick on B. Question number 4 is, if you ate a lemon, what would you taste it with? Eyes, lips, tongue or teeth? And you know we taste with our tongue. The right answer is C. Tick on C. Question number 5. Which of the following you might do if your body was tired? Sneeze, cough, jump, yawn. The right answer is D. Tick on D. I hope you have done your exercise perfectly.
We will continue the exercises in our next lecture. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.